Hey YouTube, it's Justin. Today we got a special present. There's only 1,000 of these motherfuckers in the world, and Justin bought the first set. You can tell by the title, we got the Tiger Woods irons that I believe, Dave, that he won the Masters with, correct?
Yes.
I got my golf partner here, Dave, because he had to come see this live unboxing. Well, it's not really live, taped, whatever. But he wanted to see how the packaging and stuff was. And I'm a man of my word, and I promised not to open this until he got here. So let's go ahead and take a look at these things and see how they are. Dave, what do you think? You think these things are going to be really nice?
Oh, absolutely.
You know, I can't wait. You know, I can't wait to beat these around next week. We are going to play these. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I understand I'm a tool channel, but, you know, hey, we're you know, we're branching out. Also, I know you guys have been asking for the golf vlogs. We are going to get to that once we play people that we know. Oh, shit, Dave. You should see this. Oh boy. Oh boy. Let's get all that out of the way. There we go. Alright, Dave, do you think we should... Holy shit. Look at this. You get a seal on there. Look at that, Dave. How about that? This is a security seal, so you know that they were, you know... I wonder if these are made in America, Dave. Do you think it'll say?
They should inside, I would believe.
You should leave. So you get this wonderful box. It says PW7s on it. Let's go ahead and open this up. I'm sure I'm one of the first guys that got these. Woo-hoo-hoo! David. Wow.
That's awesome.
Dude, that's totally awesome. I have never... Oh my God. Look at that. It's a milled face. Holy shit, pick that thing up, dude.
Oh, wow.
Dude, that's unbelievably balanced. Oh. So, these are the Tiger Woods irons. These are blades. I know that if you saw my golf score, you're probably wondering why I would be playing blades. But, you know, when I do put a good move on it, it's pretty nice. But apparently they got this milled finish. But look at this, Dave. The heads were made in China, and then they were assembled in Mexico. So some Mexicans put it together. Let's see what they got. Oh, wow. Dave, this is... Oh, my God. You get a...
Here, don't let it click.
Yeah. Oh, my God. We get a little booklet. Here it's got the Tiger Woods Ventures on it. Wonder how much TaylorMade paid for these.
Oh, a bolo.
Dude, oh my God. You have no clue. This is so awesome. Oh my God, I get...
Signed by Tiger?
Yeah, so you get, dear fellow golfer, since you're reading this, you're opening a new box of PWC irons. While the journey of these clubs are only the beginning, many moments took this. I recently joined blah, 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 blah. Alright. So... there is the letter that you get. It does have that Chinese... It smells like solvent.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But I think that's from the grips.
That's from the grips.
This features milled grind technology, the latest advanced forgings of 1025 steel, tungsten weighting in there, Dave.
Yeah, the tungsten's supposedly hidden in the backside.
Yeah, the tungsten's supposed to be hidden in the backside. Let's,
Yeah.
Dude, these are... Dude, these sit...
7-3 iron?
Yeah, these sit fucking way better than my mirrors do. Oh my God. Where's the...
You don't know if you can hit that.
I don't know if I can hit that. I don't know if I can hit the 3 iron, but we are going to try. Where's the 9? Here we go. Here's the 9. So the shafts I got are KBS C-Taper X, not tipped or anything special like that. This is for the golf guys, but oh my God, Dave. Wow. I can't believe These feel completely different than my Miras.
Oh, I'm sure.
Right? No, I'm just telling you by the head weight. Like, these are completely different. But
yeah, for having that 130 shaft in it, they're light.
They're light, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, this is different. Maybe we'll compare these to the Mira irons in a later video. But Dave just wanted to check these out, and I can't believe this. This case is amazing. Okay, for you guys that don't know, these were $2,200 shipped. All right. And they only made 1,000 sets for the U.S. on the opening round. There, whatever. But, dude, this letter, Dave, I see why people are going to buy these and never hit them.
Oh, yeah.
You know, but we're playing these motherfuckers.
Some of them ain't even taking them out of the box.
Yeah, some of them ain't.
They're going to look at them and just keep them right where they're at.
Yeah, which I think is stupid because it's a golf club. It's made to be played, you know?
And I mean, the
case is amazing. Yeah. Like, they really gave a shit about this, but, you know, I mean, it's probably got to be this way. Yeah, buddy. What club is that? That's the 7.
Yeah, there's the 6 there.
Yeah, but this... Look at that, Dave. I mean, that's $3,000 in your hand. Dude, these things are amazing. Absolutely amazing.
From the moment I joined the TaylorMade team, that's Tiger speaking.
Yeah, that's Tiger.
In January of 2017. Flawless nature, milled grind. Your mill grind's there.
Yeah, yeah. I think that
never been done.
Never been done.
Irons,
dude. These have a thinner sole than my Miras do.
Yeah, yeah.
These are way crazy.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Hold on here a second, guys. Let me go get my Mira 7 iron because that's the last blade I got. I want to show you something here. All right, so here is my Mira 7 iron, and for a long time, people said that Tiger was playing rebranded Mira irons, and if you look right there, dude, these heads are pretty fucking close. That's pretty fucking close.
Yeah, they said it was either Miras or Mizunos.
Yeah, Miras or Mizunos, but you know, maybe we'll do like a full comparison. Now that I'm actually holding them, I'm going to tell you the Tiger Woods irons feel less head heavy.
Yeah.
Right? Just out there.
God, that feels way better than that Mira.
Yeah. Okay, I think TaylorMade, like, I'm not a golf club expert. I'm sure that Rick Shields and like Peter Finch and those TXG guys are going to be like all like talking about this shit. I don't know what the fuck it is. I just hit the ball as hard as I fucking can every time. I can't take anything off of it or I chunk it. But anyway, I think they did a really good... dude, I gotta... Like, I want to know what these feel like to hit.
Yeah.
All right. Well, next week, guys, we are going to do a course vlog with these.
Take it to the course.
We're going to take it to the course, and I'll get back to you, but these things are fucking amazing. Alrighty there, guys. Like always, subscribe to this channel if you want to check out some more of these Tiger Woods bladers from listed 20 handicap on 9 holes. But as of last night, I put a beat dicking on this guy. I shot 42 net 22. This guy didn't stand a chance. But anyway, like always, check out Instagram, Patreon, all that fucking jazz. You'll get to meet Dave later. If you want to see what a scratch golfer looks like, Dave is pretty much scratch, ain't you, Dave?
Pretty much.
Pretty much. This dude can do amazing things with a golf club. He is my golf league partner, and we are trying to take league champs to a whole new level. But anyway, look out for the vlogs and stuff, and we're going to hit these next video. But like always, guys, thanks for watching. I got to fucking go.
Yeah.
Fuckers, dude. That's kind of worth the money.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean...
Some of the best irons in the world, right? And I think TaylorMade did.
Well, I mean, it's exactly like what you said. He got his hands in there,
Yeah.
Tiger has never changed irons. I'm telling you that right now.
Yeah, never.
It's the same mold. He won his first one with a set of Mizunos. And supposedly Titleist bought them from Mizuno, the mold.
Yeah.
Then Nike bought it from Titleist. But, yeah, I mean, if you're looking at them, I mean, there's a little more roundedness in the TaylorMade.
Yes.
Here, watch. You check them out here. A little more roundedness
On the end,
right,
yes.
right here
Yeah.
than the mirror.
And there's a little less offset.
Yeah.
Right, looking down at them.
Yeah. Yeah, them things are fucking filthy.
Dude, I bet you could, oh my god, dude, think of the divot I'm going to make with this motherfucker. Soft conditions, this is just going to be...
thing's throwing pelts.
Dude, it's going to be like... This is kind of worth the wait, Dave. I'm glad you were here.
Yeah, that was awesome. I'm really surprised you waited.
No, I was a man of my word. You asked me to wait.
I mean, that is... Just the unboxing of it. I mean, look at that.
Yeah, dude, look at this. This is unbelievable.
You could probably sell that box for a couple $100.
You could, yes.
You know how people were paying like $100 for a fucking PlayStation box from back in the day?
Yeah.
Nintendo box? Some golf motherfucker. I mean, that is just...
Dude, it's sexy as fuck.
Yeah.
You know, like, it's absolutely amazing.
And I like how they didn't wrap the top two.
Yes.
So you fucking get them right out the get-go.
Right out of the
what they
get-go.
are.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Dude, this 3-iron, I don't know.
That's butter. That is a fucking knife right there. I mean, whew.
Wow.
I mean, good luck.
Dude, but I'm going to tell you, like me standing here, there is a big difference in the way that they...
Oh, yeah.
Just setting them down on the ground, like, I almost could understand, like, if you're at Tiger's level, like, you know, like,
Yeah.
this is a different level than, okay, a 20 handicap and a scratch guy.
Yeah.
But to me, they just feel more perfectly balanced. Like, I bet because his back, he took some weight out of the head.
Well, yeah, because that's why that tungsten's in there.
Yes.
And it's supposedly...
Right here.
Yeah. Now, my question is, you getting iron covers for him? That's a lot of bag chatter.
Do you think I should?
I play them because I like my clubs looking good.
All right. Well, now I gotta go find some fucking nice iron covers. Where'd you get yours?
Amazon.
All right, I might have to find some.
But I mean, you got to think about it. After a year of golf, you want them looking like that, or you want them fucking looking like that?
Well, I guess I'll. Yeah. You know what I'm saying, dude? This thing, these feel so fucking money.
Yeah.
Okay, we're now next week. Like, I don't even care what I shoot. We're vlogging how we hit these.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm almost ready. I don't give a shit.
I don't even think we take woods with us. We just bang 3-iron off every tee box.
Yeah, just be like,
this is what we're gonna do today.
Yeah, like, dude, we're playing this. All right, this is Dave. This is unbelievable.
Them things are fucking nasty.
Just, oh my god, dude. Like, just looking down at it looks so perfect.
It makes me want to splurge right now. I go home and just order a set of them.
Oh, I don't even know if they still have them.
I'll find them somewhere.
I'm sure that there's somebody out there that's got them. Dude, the 5-iron is just so fucking money.
Yeah.
Oh boy, we gotta Instagram this.